College is the center for learning and art. By having education in this college, the human humanity should bring newness, should illuminate the people, should spread compassion and patience, truth and courage. It's a place for discipline, decency and decorum. Please.
Good evening to one and all. We are extremely happy to be given this wonderful opportunity as alumni of this college to perform the college song which has been announced by the madam and which was composed in the year 1963 by Sri Karunasri Janjal Papaya Garu, and later on it was the song composed by Sri T. Kodraya Garu, the lecturer of Telugu department, and this song is as old as 62 years. The song was composed in the year 1963, and when it is compared with the year 2024, this song is as old as 62 years of age. So we are the students of this college, and we are very much grateful indeed to be given this wonderful opportunity. And before we perform this song, I would like to introduce the members of our team who has come all the way from the different places to take part in this peer meeting celebrations of this college. Firstly, it is my pleasure of inviting our dear brother Kishan Garu, who is a student of this college, and he completed his studies in the year 1976. He is a student of 1976, and he is a very good musician, and he gave music to different films at different places. So very grateful indeed to have him, and he is the one who gave music to this college song of our institution. Thank you very much, sir. And it is my pleasure of inviting Mr. Daya Garu, who has been very fondly called as G. Ravikumar Garu, and who is on the tabla, and he completed his studies in the year 1986. So very much grateful indeed, and he is very good performer of tabla indeed, and we are very much thankful to him. And we have our dear friend Ravi, and who is a very famous singer, and he is performing very good songs, and he is a very good YouTuber. So by clicking his name, we can get as many songs as possible on his name. Thank you very much, Ravi. And we have our dear sister Saujanya Lata. And she is a student of a college, and she completed her studies in the year 2001, and she is a professional singer, and she is also a YouTuber, and we are very much indeed grateful to be given this wonderful opportunity. I am Dr. P. Jesse Ivan. I am working as a professor of English at Sri Sarthi Institute of Engineering and Technology in Hoospedu, and it is my privilege indeed to be given this wonderful opportunity. So with the kind of your permission, sir, we would like to sing this wonderful song, which is as old as 62 years of age. Thank you very much, sir.